The Uripok Nupi Apunbalup and Uripok Apunbalup held a candlelight vigil today at Uripok in Imphal West, demanding the immediate and self-release of 6 individuals, including 3 minors allegedly abducted by Kuki militants from Borobekra subdivision in Uripok district. The peaceful vigil, marked by somber faces and lit candles, was organized to protest what the groups have labeled an inhuman act. In a press address, Khairakpam Tarun Kumar, Vice President of Uripok Apunbalup, condemned the abduction and emphasized that those captured are innocent civilians with no connection to the ongoing ethnic tensions in the region. He called on the abductors to respect international humanitarian principles and release the captives safely. These people are innocent and this is a grave injustice, he said, urging the militants to consider the families and community impacted by this incident. The vigil participants also directed their pleas toward the state and central governments, urging them to take immediate action to ensure the rescue of the hostages and safeguard citizens' rights. Tarun Kumar specifically called on authorities to deploy all necessary resources to secure the lives of the abducted individuals, underscoring the need for measures to ensure the protection of all civilians in the region. The abduction incident has sparked widespread concern in Manipur, further straining the already tense situation. As the candlelight vigil concluded, community leaders echoed a message of solidarity, hoping for the swift return of the captives and a peaceful resolution to ongoing conflicts.
Today, we have conducted this candlelight program to set the secure release of those 6 women, including 3 minor children who have been abducted by the Kuki militants from the Borobekra subdivision of Uripok district of Manipur, and we strongly condemn such inhuman acts committed by these Kuki militants, and we appeal to them to release those innocent women, including those minor children, as they are not involved in this conflict. And if those abductors, if those persons, if those groups who have abducted those persons, if they really respect this international humanitarian law, they should release those 6 women, including 3 minor children, without any harm, and as they are all innocent civilians of this nation. And we also urge to the state government and the central government to take up all the possible measures for the safe release and also to rescue those innocent civilians. And also now it's the right time for the state government and the central government to take up all the necessary measures to protect the life, liberty and property of all its citizens, as the protection of these lives and liberties and the properties of all citizens is the bounden duty of the state government. So without further delay, we appeal to the state government and also to the central government to take up all the adequate measures for the safe, secure and the peaceful life of all the citizens of this country.